A Duval family received a fresh start today, a free and new roof over their homes. This comes after veteran Victor Hunt, a husband, father, and grandfather, lost his cancer fight in July.
Action News Jack's Kennedy Dendy shares why this act of generosity came in the most timely way.
Through an act of service that the Hunt family describes as a miracle, hope was brought down one panel at a time.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Veteran Victor Hunt passed away in July, leaving his son, who has special needs, and family with a home that's been in desperate need of a roof replacement.
Thankful for
my
new roof.
So with the help of Tadlock Roofing and ABC Supply Company, that became a reality. Take a look at our Action News Jack Sky Vision drone. This comes as multiple rooms had been open to the elements, mold showing, and leakage. The ceiling has collapsed multiple times, even as recently as this past June. It collapsed into the laundry room and took out the dryer, washer, and flooded the home. As the Hunt family watched this work in action, they told me they're just ready for a fresh start and a new chapter, sharing that their prayers have finally been answered.
Lucas gets to come home. He gets to sleep in his own bed. It's not going to rain in your room, right?
Right.
And he's happy.
She says she could not be more grateful for the kindness extended by a stranger.
Our Tadlock promise is that we will treat our customers as if they're our own family. And so here's an opportunity to create some extended family, through a charitable event. So proud to be here.
For local coverage you can count on, I'm Kennedy Dendy, Action News Jax.
The family needs some help. It's nice that the community steps up.
Yeah, and they came right in time when they really needed that encouragement, I'm sure.
Yeah.